So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this, I believe it's a Kohler faucet. This is existing. Homeowners came in and did a little remodel in here. Looks like they kept the boxes, put in some new countertops, and that is existing faucet. So it's a Kohler, went in real nice. A couple things on that faucet. You can see the nylon black braided lines. So those are for the supply for the water. You can see one back there goes to the hot water, and then one right here goes to the cold water. And then of course the hose, you can see the hose is a little kinked at the bottom. That's where they had the weight. You never put the weight right at the bottom because it does that, it kinks it. So the weight's up a little bit higher right there. So everything's working back in there. Another thing I noticed is on some of the braided portions of the nylon, the black back there is frayed a little bit, and that's what keeps the inner hose from overexpanding. Probably when they were removing or installing original installation, that brass nut has to go over that assembly, and sometimes it gets scraped a little bit, but nothing's leaking, so it's good. Back here you can see the hot handle is missing off of the angle stop. The threads, or the little splined area, is still in good shape. So if you just go over to Home Depot, Lowe's, and get one of these little guys right here with the screw, and come and slide it on there and get that spline lined up, screw it on, you're good to go, and you can function as normal. That was packing, the packing nut on the hot side was leaking a little, so we tightened that down, so there's no more dripping down here. Had some water down here when we got here, but it was just from residual water coming through the lines. So it's all dried up and everything's good. We've tested this. Now this is drain assembly here came with the sink, so we're going to take a separate video of that once we're done with this faucet right here. Outside of that, this installation is done.